Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest side hustle you can start in 2023, and you can do this on TikTok by creating manifestation niche videos. These are videos in the manifestation niche and linking and promoting affiliate products from clickbank.com. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this. And a lot of people have started this in 2023. There are a couple of channels that are doing this. I myself have also started it and I have about 36,000 followers. And if you go to clickbank.com, the product you're going to be promoting on your TikTok is going to be this particular product. It's so much sketch. I think it's basically about those that are curious to see how their soulmate will look like. Can they come here, and the conversion from this particular product is $20, and you can imagine with 30,000 followers, 200,000 followers, like this channel 1.2 million followers. Imagine having a 1% to 3% conversion with this amount of followers for every purchase of $20. Can you imagine the prospect of this particular side hustle? So I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So how you do it is, first of all, we're going to use ChatGPT to generate the code, and I've already done that. So just to save time for the video, so I've done that. I've generated these quotes. So these quotes are just basic. Love is abundant in my life. Quotes like this appeals to a lot of people. Maybe they've been struggling to find love and they are trying to just be positive about it. So just creating this kind of videos, and the videos get high engagement. I mean high. I started this about 2 months ago and I already have about 36,000 followers, and you have to be posting consistently, at least 5 posts every day. So let's just dive straight in and I'll show you how to do these videos step by step. So step one is generating the codes, which I've done. So step two, I go to pexsales.com. Here you get free stock footages and videos, and I want to go for a video that has a kind of psychic, it's not exactly dark, just something psychic related. So which I've chosen this particular video is perfect for it. So I just go ahead and download that video. So now we have the codes, we have our video, and for step three, the editor I use is CapCut. CapCut is one of the best editors out there. So don't think too much, just go for CapCut. It has basically everything. So our video is downloading. So please, right now, if you are still following me up to this point, please subscribe, like, and follow this video step by step. It's very important that you do, so that you don't miss any step. So with the video almost okay, wait for that to download. So the downloaded video, I just import it to CapCut, drop it there, drag it to my timeline. So the next thing is to convert it to TikTok format 916. I want it to cover the entire screen. Then another thing is make the videos 5 seconds. Why? Because this will increase the retention rate. So it makes people to keep on watching it, because there's a quote written on the video. So they are reading the quote, and when it finishes, because it's 5 seconds, it goes back and they are watching it again. So that will feel that TikTok algorithm will feel that okay, the video is of value and you are going to get more views from that particular video, because people keep on reading the quotes and the video keep on playing over and over again. So that's another secret sauce I need to throw out there. So we go to text, add text. So let me draw this to 5 seconds. Let's make it 5. Okay. Then this one. So this is the text. Let's go back to Let me put about 5 so that you kind of like cover the entire screen. So I drop that there. And let me spread it out so that it will be a bit. Yeah, I think that's okay. So I changed the style. I think this. Then the font. I use this font. Reduce. Drag it up. Then another thing I want to point out is, irrespective of the fact that you are just starting this account, you may have 0 followers, and you have to get to 1,000 followers before you can post an affiliate link on your bio. Irrespective of that, if you are starting your first video and you have 0 followers, still add a call to action. Just still put it out there so that at some point when your videos start blowing up, sometimes maybe after you get 1,000 followers, your first video you created may start blowing up, so that those videos too, when people are seeing it, you'll still see your affiliate link, you'll still see that call to action, and to direct them to your affiliate link. So that's another thing I want to put out there. So I want to kind of like spread the spacing, increase it. That's okay. So since the product is a summit sketch, so the call to action should be related to that. So I'm going to create another text. So I'll say click the link in my bio to get your soulmate sketch. Now let me personalize to get your personalized soulmate sketch. So let's change the font to, and let's make this colored so that it will stand out. So that's just it. So we have our text, we have our video. The next thing we're going to do is add an audio to it. So I've linked my TikTok to the app, and I have some audios which I normally use. So I think no, not this one. No, this one is kind of like soft, and so this is just it. So the video is complete. So this is the video. So like this, it's just 5 seconds. So they are reading the quotes. It's their positive affirmation. So they are reading the quotes, and as they are reading it, the video keeps playing and starts all over again, and they keep on watching it, and TikTok will feel like, okay, this video is of value, and that's how videos start going viral. So they keep on rewatching, and TikTok feel like, okay, this video is actually important. That's why people keep on rewatching it. So that's just it. So you can just keep on creating videos like this consistently every day, at least 5 videos every day. As you can see, it's very easy to do. Like within 2 minutes we have done one video. So 5 videos every day. But if you are short on time, you don't have time, you have a job, you have a family, you have kids, and you don't really have time to do this, I'll put a link in my description. You can get someone on Fiverr to do these videos for you, and you can just do them continuously. The key here is to do this consistently. It's not something you start and stop. At least on TikTok, I think the algorithm is more rewarding to those that are consistent. So immediately once you are consistent, you are going to start seeing results. You are going to get followers, views, engagement, and also just get started on that as soon as possible, because it's not crowded. This niche is not crowded. So start it. I'll put a link in the description. You can get someone on Fiverr to do this for you if you are short on time, or is this too technical for you. You are not left out on this. So Just go to that link, click it, order the gig, and do this consistently. You are going to start seeing results. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you have not done so already. Like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.